concrete is here. They're gonna start working, so do a little video. I don't know how well my batteries are gonna last. The cameras are already going dead. Alright everybody, the concrete in the house and garage is done. They're saw cutting it right now. Then they're going to pour the porch here this afternoon, so we'll check it out. They got the porch already here. Left this board out because they're going to buggy it in around the corner. These will be for the stress cut, so I'm going to have 4x4 squares in an angle cut. Porch is going to be 9 feet out, and I think it's 56 feet long, and then it goes that way another 30 feet or so. Rebar set at 2 foot on center. Concrete will come up to right here, so my post will be completely out of the ground. So once I've got all the steel onto the house, as far as I can go until I can finish with the porch. So it's looking pretty good. So as soon as they're done with the concrete in the next couple days, I actually have a hunting vacation planned, but then I'll start tying in this porch, get all that done, and then I can do all the steel up above and below. I can put my doors in, so it'll be real nice. Pretty excited about this. Shouldn't take me a couple days probably by myself to frame up the porch, maybe 3. And then before I put the steel on the roof part, I'm gonna put 3/4 inch plywood up there, then ice and water barrier, and then I'll be able to stand on that and do all the steel up above. And then I'll metal it, and then I can do the steel below. Pretty excited though, it's gonna look pretty awesome. I got a special detail here at the door. I'm going to custom build an arch right there above the front door. I've never done that before. I got an idea in my head how I want to do it, so we'll see how that goes, and I'll show you how I end up doing it. It's gonna be one of those things where I just kind of build it as I go and figure it out as I go.